Hello, I'm here in Batavia, Illinois, and just last night we had a blizzard, and it's crazy. I mean, here, I'll show you footage of it. Here, look at, there's snow, and here, we'll walk over here. Look at that. That used to be a 4-foot table. Now it's nothing. Now we're gonna walk over here, and look at this. That all used to be just flat, and now it's all covered in snow because of the drift. And it's just crazy. I mean, our porch used to be 3 foot under snow. It's just madness. And look at this. I actually made this tunnel this afternoon, like this, and it's just high snow. Now we'll walk over here. See, look at how deep my feet are going in there. This is just crazy how deep this snow is. And look at that. Look at that. If you look, I'll show you. This pathway we had to dig. And this trenchy thing we had to kind of dig out about 2.5 feet high. And over there, just crazy, man. Just walk back around now. So we'll just kind of walk around to the back of my yard. Okay, so that's my garage right now. Look at that. It's up to the windows and this mound, and it's just crazy. Alright, please subscribe.